YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. It's been a while. Do you know why it's been a while? I just bought my very first house. I am so excited. I have been busy moving, unpacking, organizing, getting kids ready for school, and it's just been really chaotic, but in a semi-controlled good way, if that can happen when you move. So I'm finally getting back into the groove of things, of starting to do some YouTube tutorials. Now this YouTube tutorial is going to be all about our beloved Biscuit Boo Bear, our rescue Chihuahua. I love him dearly, but with the move I found out he's having a little bit of an issue of knowing where to go to the bathroom. So many of you with dogs, if you have smaller dogs that are used to going on pee pads inside the house, which is what Biscuit is used to doing, he goes on pee pads. I have been taking him outside in the morning to do his first business of the day. We have a great backyard back there, so that's been helpful. But throughout the day, he's confused because in my old house, which was a rental, he knew exactly where to go on the pee pads and he did it faithfully. Here, he doesn't know where to go. So I invented, or I should say designed, my own little pee contraption for him, and I thought I would share it with you because maybe some other people find themselves maybe in an apartment or high-rise or in a colder environment, and they have a little dog and that are used to going on pee pads, and you need to help kind of get them started on where to go. So Biscuit is a male dog, let me preface that. He likes to lift his leg and I don't know, that's what male dogs do, you know, fire hydrants, things like that. So I'm gonna show you what I designed and see what you think. Hold on. Okay, it's not fancy. I call it the Tinkle Tower because it's kind of tall. So what I did is I just found some scrap wood around this house. Like I said, I got a great backyard and I noticed there's a whole bunch of scrap wood and I was getting fed up. Even though I was putting pee pads around the house, he just was confused to where to go. So I was like, you know what? I know he likes to lift his leg. I know he likes trees and bushes and all that stuff. So I found a longer piece of wood here. So what I did is I found two other pieces of wood. If I had a larger piece for a base that was just one piece, I would have attached it, but this is what I found out back. So what I did is I just put two screws in there, attached it to this longer piece, and then I took the pee pad and I cut a slit so it goes over the tower, shimmy it down like so. Voila! That's the Tinkle Tower. And guess what? He's been using it. See right there, he smells his scent because he's been going on it, and I put it down the hallway, and he has had just a few accidents, but for the most part, he's using it consistently. And sometimes he gets his poop on there, sometimes he doesn't, but I gotta tell you, it's probably taken down the accidents, probably down to like 10% of the time, where before I was like, this is ridiculous. We were finding puddles all over the place. So I had to make something quickly. I wanted to do it just because I didn't know what else to get him, because I had seen online, they have those pee pads, the trays and stuff. I got those when we first got him, and he didn't like the trays. He doesn't like stepping into something. What he likes doing, he likes lifting his leg. He's got that little short man, little man syndrome, I think. Now, this is what he likes to do. So he likes, that way his scent gets in the piece of wood and he knows exactly where to go, and I better go put this right now because he's running back there. Biscuit, don't you go back there in the corner. Come here, here. Here you go. It's back. Tinkle Tower is back. Don't you go. Sorry, I'd run back there. He was running that way. No more accidents. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you. It's a really cheap, easy solution. if you're moving and you have small dogs and you need something that will help guide them where they need to go. Because what they want to do is they just want to mark stuff. So why not mark a big long piece of wood? And there you go. That's my tinkle tower. So I thought I would share that. Hey, I was right. He went back in the corner and he used his tinkle tower. He peed and he pooped. He didn't get the poop on the pad, but he tinkled where he should. So if you guys are new to my channel and you've just subscribed, thank you. If you're new and you're just popping in to see what the heck this video is all about, let me introduce myself. My name is Bethany and I run Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration. Now, most of my videos are about restoring antique and old furniture. Occasionally I throw in a do-it-yourself type of video like this. I'm probably going to be doing a lot more home-based videos, things around the house as well. So stay tuned for that. So please subscribe to my channel. It's in the lower right-hand corner. It's a red button. You can't miss it. Some videos are going to be coming up. I got a list of just fun stuff. I'm going to be making my own cedar shutters for my house. My house is a ranch with a nice, beautiful full basement. That's where my workshop is going to be. So we're going to be doing that soon. I'm also going to be turning an old mirror, or I should say an old window, into a mirror. That's coming up. I'm also going to be painting my fireplace mantle, painting my front doors. So I just got a lot of projects in the works, but I just wanted to share this quick one concerning our little boo-boo here, Biscuit. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. And as always, Biscuit always says, what do you say? Toodaloo. See you guys soon. Bye. Okay, we found out where Biscuit likes to poop and pee. Right over here, outside my bedroom door. So I found some scrap wood behind the house, and I makeshifted a little pee stand here. I'm hoping it works. So I'm going to cut a pee pad and put it over the top of this piece of scrap wood and shimmy it down and lay it over the base and see if he starts using this instead of a hamper that I now have to probably throw away. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, you see where you have to go pee now? All right, no more peeing on hampers. Look, look! Look what Mommy made you. Look! It's so stylish, and it smells like real wood. Yes, you're gonna love it. Come on. Take your pee-pee out for a ride. You gonna try it out, Biscuit? No? It's right there, buddy. Okay, I guess time will tell if he's gonna use this. It's your new pee stick. All right, we're gonna give you privacy. I'm gonna walk away. Did you go pee-pees? Were you a good boy? Look at you. Good job. Good job, boo-boo. Come here. You want some chicken now? You want some chicken? Let's go get you some chicken. Looks like the pee stick is working. Yay! Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick update on the tinkle stick or the tinkle tower. What are we calling it, Biscuit? I don't know, whatever we're calling it, it's working. He is peeing over here, lifting his leg and going, and I'm changing the pee pads frequently. The only thing he's struggling with still is pooping on the pad. Sometimes he gets it, sometimes he doesn't, but you know what? I see this as a major win, especially in regards to peeing in one consistent spot all the time and not all over the place. So I'm very happy that my little do-it-yourself potty tree. What are we calling this, Biscuit? What do you want to call it, boo-boos? It's Biscuit's bathroom. And he's happy and I'm happy, and that's all that matters. Okay, see you guys soon. Biscuit! Guys, look! He's using the tinkle tower and the poopy potty. Look at that! Today is what? The 4th or the 5th day that we've had this up? Bullseye! Another update. Good job, Biscuit.